In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bitcoin over the Lightning Network using Binance, a method that's both fast and cost-effective, particularly suited for small or recurring payments. Now let's get started with this process by first ensuring you're eligible to use this feature. Keep in mind that Binance supports BTC Lightning withdrawals, but this service is exclusive to Binance.com and not available on all regional apps. So make sure you're accessing the correct platform. Additionally, you'll want to ensure that your app is updated to at least version 2.67.0 if you're using a mobile device. Updating your app will allow you to access the latest features and help avoid any compatibility issues during the transaction process. Once you've confirmed that you're eligible and your app is up to date, let's move on to creating a Lightning invoice. This step involves navigating to your Lightning-enabled wallet. Some popular options include Moon, Phoenix, or Wallet of Satoshi. In your chosen wallet, look for the option to receive Bitcoin via the Lightning Network. Once you've found it, simply tap on Receive and then select Lightning. This is where you'll enter the amount of Bitcoin you intend to receive. After inputting the desired amount, the wallet will generate a Lightning invoice for you. This invoice will be presented as a long string of text or a QR code. It's critical that you either copy this text or save the QR code as you'll need it for initiating the withdrawal on Binance. Now, with the Lightning invoice ready, head over to your Binance account and log in. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet by selecting either the Spot or Assets tab, then opt for Withdraw. Choose Bitcoin from the options available and make sure to select Send via Crypto Network to proceed. Here, you will be presented with a list of networks to choose from. Be sure to select the Lightning Network, as this will ensure your transaction utilizes this fast and low-fee option. Now, you should paste the Lightning invoice you copied earlier into the designated field and enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Choose your wallet source from which the Bitcoin should be deducted. Before finalizing the transaction, confirm any associated fees, and once you're satisfied, press the Withdraw or Send button to initiate the transfer. At this point, Binance will ask you to authenticate the transaction. This additional step is for your security. It could involve using Google Authenticator, receiving an SMS, or confirming through an email, whatever method you've set up for your two-factor authentication. Upon confirming, you just need to wait a brief moment. The beauty of using the Lightning Network means that your payment should be processed almost instantly, often taking less than a minute. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin has been successfully sent using the Lightning Network through Binance. Whether for regular payments or smaller transactions, this method is both efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and happy transacting.